Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. It's too bad we're lost and covered with frost, wandering a wintry wasteland. It is cold, wolves are howling, and our stomachs are growling. We're way up our course, we just ate the last horse, wandering a wintry wasteland. In the meadow we could dig a big pit, yeah, fill it full of spikes covered with leaves. Hope some hapless animal falls in it. Till then we'll have to sit and wait and freeze. Later on we'll expire as our sleigh catches on fire. How it happened, who knows? It's 40 below, wandering a wintry wasteland. In the frozen pond we'll cut a fish hole, but the ice might prove to be too thick. We'll keep trying 'cause we are so hungry, until Fred slips and falls upon his pick. Fred is dead and we miss him. Time for cannibalism. What a beautiful sight we're eating tonight, wandering a wintry wasteland. In the meadow we can build an igloo, so the frostbite won't be quite so bad. And it might be handy to hide into when all the other passengers go mad. This may sound quite suspicious, but you look quite delicious. We'll draw straws to decide who's next to get fried, wandering a wintry wasteland.
Merry Christmas from the Tharp family.